Why do eyelids jump suddenly? It's another tiring and busy day. You are in a hurry at work, and suddenly the right eyelid trembles, and it basically happens to the lower eyelid. In fact, the sudden jump of our eyelids is often caused by the orbicularis oculi muscle, which is the muscle that surrounds our eyes. It helps us to close our eyes to make expressions and help to discharge tears. If it is more developed near the lower eyelid, it will bulge out. When you are playing with a mobile phone or reading a book, the number of blinks will gradually decrease unconsciously. At this time, the tears cannot moisten the eyes in time, and the surface cornea will feel abnormally dry. But the brain can't do anything, because the muscles that control the opening and closing of the eyelids can be controlled by you at will. Stubborn if you want to look at your phone twice, your brain can only listen to you first, and you will start when it can't stand it. As the time of eye use becomes longer, you finally feel dry and fatigued. The brain and orbicularis oculi are looking at you who are overusing your eyes. Although they really want to close your eyelids on their own initiative, they are so strong so they wait and finally wait until you are distracted, and through the reflex, the orbicularis oculi muscle quickly contracted and spasmed, and your eyelids suddenly jumped up. Although it can't make you close your eyes completely, it can make you notice your blink, a process medically known as palpebral tremor. Researchers have found that eyelid twitching is not only related to the abnormal reflex process, but also related to many factors such as the brain, the orbicularis oculi muscle itself, and the general condition. It is closely related to our stress from life and work. Some studies have found that nearly half of people experience various physical and mental stress before eyelid twitching and overuse. Staying up late and various other mental and psychological factors are also important triggering factors for it. In addition, if your eyelids beat for a long time or are accompanied by redness and tearing, it may also be related to some diseases, such as keratitis, blepharitis, or intracranial diseases, etc. You should go to the hospital for an examination one time. For most of us hard-pressed workers, most of the eyelid twitching is because of too much pressure, both physical and mental exhaustion. In this state, you are often experiencing some unpleasant things. The eyelids are just reminding you that you should feel sorry for yourself and take a needed rest.